assume that the temperature capital T remains essentially constant at the upper part of the atmosphere. Take capital M equal to the mean molecular mass of air. P naught is the atmospheric pressure at the ground reference. Find or obtain expression for variation of pressure with height. The question says that with the height the pressure changes, and we know that with height the pressure decreases. So we can say that since the pressure decreases with height, so we can say that it is dP is equal to minus rho into G and dH, where H is or dH is the slight change or increase in the height. So what we do is, let us consider a small volume of air of some mass delta m type of. So here I am writing. So let us consider a small volume delta V, small volume delta V of air of mass delta m. That is, we are considering a small sample at some location. So at that moment or at that location, if P is the pressure, then we can write for the sample P delta V will be equal to nRT for that particular sample. Then we can further say that it will be P delta V is equal to, now number of moles is the mass of the sample divided by the average molecular mass into RT. So from here P will be equal to, we can say delta M by delta V times RT, and capital M is there, so RT by capital M. Now delta M by delta V is basically the density at that particular location. So we can say this is equal to rho R capital T by M, where rho is the density. Or from here let us try to find out an expression for density. It is equal to Pm divided by RT, where P is the pressure at that location. From here what we can say, let this be the first expression that we arrived at, and rho expression we just now saw. So from first expression, if I put the value of that rho, we get dP will be equal to minus rho means P M by RT small g and dH. This we can write. So let us change the sides. We have further dP by P will be equal to minus mg divided by RT, mg divided by RT and dH. Upon integration, we can say integration of dP by P, and that side is minus mg by RT integration dH. Now the limits, it will go from P naught to P, where P naught is at the atmospheric pressure at the ground reference level, and it is from 0 to H. You are able to understand the nature of integration. So we have log P, and then I am directly writing the upper and the lower limit, so it will be log P by P naught, and the other side it is equal to minus mgh divided by RT. So P by P naught is e to the power the other quantity. So we have P is equal to P naught e to the power minus mgh divided by RT. This is the expression which shows how the pressure changes with height, assuming that the temperature at the upper atmosphere to remain constant and capital M is the average molecular mass of air. Thank you.